Hey, good day everyone. Today we are going to move to another topic, which is topic 4, and it's talk about algebraic expressions. The meaning of this lesson, or starting from here, I will teach you how to apply our real life problem as a math problem, so anyone can solve it or apply on it. Okay. How? As an example, if I ask me and my friends ask for sandwiches from some of the restaurants, we know that there exist delivery fees. Yes, and price of sandwich. One sandwich, and the total price at the end. I will pay what? Okay. So if I know, but also I need the number of sandwiches. Okay. Number of sandwiches. How many sandwiches I'll get? Okay. If you know all of this, you can calculate the total. How much I should pay. Actually, the delivery fees is fixed. Because if I ask for one sandwich, I'll pay, say, $2. If I ask for 5, I'll pay 2. If I ask for, it's 2. So the total, always we will start with 2, which is the delivery fees. Even so, I ask the man to come to me without getting any sandwich, I'll pay the delivery fees. Okay? Then, I have to add the cost of the sandwiches. Okay. So, the price of one sandwich, it's fixed too. Say it's $5. Okay? So, if the price of the sandwich, it's fixed. Okay, so if I ask for one sandwich, I'll pay 5 plus 2, which is total 7. If I ask for 2, I have to put 2. So I ask my friends, how many sandwiches you need? One say, it's 1. No, maybe I will ask for 2. So it's different. We doesn't know the number, or we will know the number later. So it's not fixed. I can't make a fixed number now. Maybe today I will ask for 5 sandwich. Tomorrow I will ask for 10 sandwich. But the price of the sandwich is fixed, which is 5. And the delivery fee is fixed. What it changed? The number of sandwiches. So the number is changed in math. We call it variable. We call it what? Variable. We will not give him a fixed amount. I can't call it X. Y, Z, A, B, W, any letter. But anyway, I know this number is changed from 1 to 1. So I can't say the total equal $2, which is the fees. We call the fees here initial. Initial value. It's already will pay. Okay. Then the cost of one sandwich is fixed also, which is $5. But the number, so it's multiply X. So the formula, I can write it, total equal 2 plus 5X. So this is called math or expression or algebraic expression. So this form is called what? Algebraic expression. So I can apply it anytime. Today, I will ask for 2 sandwiches. Instead of X, put 2. Now, tomorrow, I will ask for 5. Instead of X, put 5. So you can calculate the total. Okay. Anytime you can put the value you need. So the fixed number is fixed like 2 and 5. And the variable one is the number of sandwiches. We can write it X. Also, X here is called unknown. I don't know exactly how many sandwiches I need for today or for tomorrow. So we can call it unknown. Any unknown, give him a letter. A, B, X, Y, Z, any letter. Okay, for the unknown in algebra. Okay, let's move to apply it on one of the most funny examples. That if someone want to travel away, and he will leave his dog at home, and he want to know that he will not die. So no one can feed him, but so he buy automatic machine that dispense food every day by regular amount. So the dog can eat every day without any problem, okay? Without helping from anyone, okay? This machine holds 20 cups of food, okay? So this machine holds 20 cups of food. Each day, it dispenses to over 5 cups of the dog food, okay? What expression can the dog owner used to determine the amount of food left in the feeder after D days? The man will travel, but how many days he doesn't know. Maybe 5 days, 6 days, 30 days. So it's variable. So the number of days we will call it D because it's variable, not fixed. Okay, but 20 cups is fixed because this feeder machine is holds 20 cups, okay? And the amount which is dispenses each day is fixed. Each day 2 over 5 cup, okay? So I know this amount, this is the initials, okay? This is the initials, okay? So I can say that how to calculate the remaining after D days, any days, okay? We can say about it. The fixed number is 20 cup minus the amount which will dispense each day, which is 2 over 5 per day. So each day means multiply by D. So 20 minus 2 over 5 D is a mathematical expression. 20 is the number of cups of food the feeder holds. 2 over 5, the number of cups of food dispenses in D days. 2 over 5D, okay? So, at last, the dog owner can use the expression 2 minus 2 over 5D to determine the amount of food left in the feeder after D days. Okay, let's apply it. If this man will go out for 30 days, do you think this amount of food is enough for him? Okay, after he fill the feeder with 20 cup, let's calculate it. So how many days? 30 days. Let's apply it. After 30 days, so it's 20 minus 2 over 5 multiply 30. Okay, it will be equal, divided by 5 equal 1, divided 5 equal 6, 2 times 6, 12, so it's 20 minus 12. So the remaining food is 20 minus 12, which the dog will eat in 30 days, it will be 8 cups. Yes, it's enough for him because I have a remaining amount of money. So if this man leaves home for 30 days, he has enough food for his dog and extra. And he has more extra 8 cups of food, okay? Okay. Let's move to another example. Okay, this example is talk about an expression 9.9d plus 12.99c can be used to find the total cost of pounds of almonds and C pounds of cashews. Okay, how much does it cost to buy 1.5 pound of almonds and 2.5 pound of cashews? Okay, so I will go to buy almonds and cashews. Okay, the expression is the cost of almonds is 9.9 for 1 pound. Okay, for 1 pound it's good, but I don't know how much pound, so I don't know how much pound I need. I'll put D. So D is the number of pound. And for cashews, C will be the number of pounds too for cashews. So to calculate it well, I have to multiply the cost of 1 pound, multiply the number of pounds which I need, plus the cost of the 1 pound of cashews, multiply the number of pound I need. This is the mathematical expression. We call it the algebraic expression. Okay? This is an algebraic expression. I can apply it. He asked me apply 1.5 pound for the almond. So instead of D, I put 1.5. And 2.5 pounds of cashews. And instead of C, I put 2.5. Let's calculate it. We will pay at the end $47.46 for 1.5 pound of almonds and 2.5 pound of cashews. Okay. Some other one will ask for 2 pound of almond and 3 pound of cashews. It's okay. Instead of D, put 2, and instead of C, put 3, and calculate the total. Okay. As an apply of this example, let's apply over this right one. The cost of rent a scooter is 15.5 per hour. I don't know the number of hour. Maybe it's 2 hours, 3 hours. So number of hour is different. So number of hour is not fixed. So I can put it as to rent a watercraft. It costs 22 per hour. So the number of hours for rent watercraft is, we can call it W. So the expression will be 50.5 multiply the number of hours of renting a scooter plus 2.8 multiply the number of hours of renting a watercraft. Okay, so this is how. Then he asked me how much it would cost to rent a scooter for. He gave me the value now of S and the value of W. So S equal the number of hours of scooter, 3.5. And W equal the number of hours of we will rent the watercraft is 1 and 3/4. So it's 1 and 3/4 hour. So instead of S, we will put 3.5. And instead of W, we will put, and then calculate the total cost after you know how much hours you want. Okay, it's easy. Another example. Amelia earns per hour, she earned per hour this amount of money, plus a gas allowance of 3.5 per day. So this is per hour and this is per day. In one day she take 3.5 for gas, and in 1 hour she take 8.24. Okay, How much does Emilia job pay in a day she works for 5.5 an hour? If she work 5.5 an hour, or 5 hour, 4 hour, so the number of hours here is variable. So I can call it H. So number of hours, the total amount she will get. Each day she get fixed number. So per day, she earn, the fixed number is 3.5. Always she take each day, what time she will work. So plus the number of hours she worked, multiply the cost of per hour, which is 8.74, and the number of hours is what? H. So we can call the number of hours H. Now to apply, he give me what if she worked for 5.5 an hour. Let's apply it. So it will be 3.5 plus 8.74 multiply what? The number of hours here. He give me 5.5. Calculate it and you will find how much she earns every day. Actually, you can calculate it now if you want. It's okay. 3.5 plus. Let's calculate this number. I can put 5.5, 5.5. Okay, so it's 5.5 multiply 5.5 multiply 8.74. My way of multiplying decimal is like that way. I need to remove this one here to get a whole number, so 1 place, and here 2 place, so it's 3 place. Keep it here, please. Now the number will become directly without any point 874 multiply 55. After we calculate it, we will return the points back, but wait, after you finish it. Okay, let's finish it. 5 times 4, 0, and carry up to 35, 37, 35 plus 2, 37, 7, and carry up 3, 50, 40 plus 3, 43, okay, both 0. Then 5 multiplied 2, 5 multiplied 4, it's the same number actually. So it's 0, 7, 3, 4. Add 0, 7, 0, and carry up 1, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8, and put 4. Return back the 3 point, please. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it will be 48.070 US dollar. Okay, this number now is 48.07. Adding with 3.5. So this number I will add 3. Take care while you add 3.5 because put the point under the point, and the one's position is 3 and the 10th position is 5. The rest is 0, 0, 0. Add 0, 7, 5 point 8 plus 3, 1, 11 plus 1 is 51.5. So the total number is 1.57 US dollar. Okay, this is how to calculate the total. Now we know how to determine or how to apply algebraic expression on our real life. So the number which is fixed, we call it initial. It's a fixed number like the delivery fees, the price of one sandwich, something like this. But the numbers which I don't know, which is the number of pounds or number of sandwiches, number I don't know exactly how much I will ask. So it's variable. I can put it as a X, Y, Z, A, B, any letter, okay? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoy the lesson. See you next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.